Welcome to my channel, my name is ZeroBoy, and today I'm gonna show you how to use a very nice tool or area on Final Cut Pro called Index. Here, as you can see, if I click here, it will show my timeline, but in order, one on top of each other, every single thing. As you can see here, videos, audio, titles, in order. In this take here, I can see here that C0027. If I click on the side one, 0023, you can do that with every single file that you have. So let's say I wanna change the volume on this area, and then the color, I'm gonna put black and white. Boom, black and white, color, Command C, I'm gonna copy, and then I can paste in all these other videos that I have here. I can press Shift, and we're gonna select all of these ones, clean. Or if you wanna select just this one, press Command and select the other 23. Pretty easy. Shift Command V, and you're gonna be able to apply the same effect for the same clip, and it's very easy. I use that all the time to speed up my editing process on Final Cut Pro. Same process I can do with tags, with roles, audio, titles, like I told you before. Very practical, and I feel like if you don't know, or if you are not used to it, to use this index section, I highly recommend. I use a lot when I want to look for a certain b-roll or a-roll that I have, and I rename with the name that I want. Very good. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you learned something today. Leave your like and comment down below. This way you're gonna be able to support my channel. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one.